Hey guys, Melissa here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little copper washer earrings to match the bracelet that I had made in last week's video. So just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so I'm all set to go. I've got my washer set. I'm going to pick out two of the smallest. These aside. I've got some tiger eye to match the bracelet. These are 8mm. Kind of grab two that look similar. Got some 20 gauge copper wire and a pair of ear wires, which these are pre-made. These are sterling silver, but you can use whatever you'd like. All right, these should be pretty fast and easy to make. I'm not going to hammer my washers out first because I didn't hammer them on the bracelet and I want them to match. Feel free to hammer them if you'd like. I forgot to mention my tools. So I have a pair of round nose pliers, a pair of chain nose pliers, and some flush cutters. That's all I should need. So I have my 20 gauge copper wire. I'm gonna measure out 5 inches. I'm gonna do it twice since we have a pair of earrings. So we're all set. So since these are earrings, I'm just gonna make a small, tiny loop on the bottom. Big enough to support the bead, but not too big. I'm not going to be putting any more links on it. You could put a dangly on the bottom if you want to, but I'm not going to at this point. Slip your bead on. Next, I'm going to make a loop at the top large enough to incorporate my washer. That should be big enough. Go ahead and feed on your washer because you're going to make a closed loop. Okay, and just start wrapping your loop. A couple times around. Then you can start spiraling your wire down your bead to make a cage. Be careful though, you don't want to kink it. Gently curve it to make a nice smooth spiral. I'm going to cut this little edge flush. All right, so I'm almost to the end, so I'm going to wrap this around the bottom loop to lock it in. Just like that. And then you can go through and even out your spiral. And there's one earring. Now with my earrings, spiral-like earrings, I like to do a mirror image on the other side, so I'm going to try to do that today. Make your loop. Feed on your bead. Let's see, make a large loop. But I'm going to bring it to the back instead of the front because I'm going to spiral it the other direction. Don't forget to feed your washer into the loop. Start wrapping your loop like the other side. I'm going to cut my edge flush here. Gently curve and twist. My spiral's coming out a little wide, so I'm going to try to twist it in here to tighten it up a little bit. Yeah. That looks good. have two earrings, mirror images of each other. You might have to look at them and adjust them to match a little better. I think that looks pretty good, so I'm gonna attach them to my ear wires. There we are. All right, so that's it for me, guys. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll link the video that shows you how to make this matching bracelet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.